again to our channel! Sa susunod naman, sa vlog na to, English only speaking challenge! Kung alam nyo kasi, loading ako always. Kung alam nyo lang kasi, mahirap ako sa conversation. Mahirap, parang bobo ba? Bobo ako sa English, Tagalog, Bisaya, at saka Nihongo. Hindi ako matino kausap kung ganun, maybe. Kaya, kung nakikita nyo, parang ganyan. Kung pwede nga lang, hindi na lang ako magsasalita para parang serious. Hindi ako nagpapatawa. Ganito lang siguro yung ko eh. Nakakaya. So, for this vlog, we are going to English only challenge. Okay? Okay. On this vlog, I will share about how is it hard to live in Japan? It is hard to live in Japan? How is life in Japan? Well, in my case, based on my experience, it is hard. It's hard. Maybe not only in Japan. I think life is hard. Life is hard. Life is nobody's perfect, like that. In my experience in Japan, no work, no pay. No work, no pay. It means you need to kayod. You need to work hard also. Do not depend on the money of your husband like me. Yeah. Since I came in Japan last 2009, I work hard on my own. Charing. I have my own money. I work hard. My husband and I, we work hard together. Because that is husband and wife. Work together, hard together, so that stays stronger together. And loading. It is hard. It's hard. But in Japan, money is everywhere if you have a job. If you have a job, you have money. You can buy what you want. You can help your family. Oh my god. No, don't do that again. No. I remember before, I can speak English. But when I came in Japan, I only speak Japanese. Only Japanese. That's why maybe now I already forget how to speak Japanese. I already forget how to speak English. I think my English level is 5. Cebuano level is 10. Japanese level is 8. Tagalog level is maybe 3. I'm very weak. What's our topic now? Our topic now is English only. It is hard to live in Japan. What? Yeah. It's hard, but here in Japan, rich or poor, you can eat the same food, but different breed. Ganon, like that. For example, the same food. Example, sushi. Rich or poor, we can eat the same sushi but different breed. Example, my sushi of rich, sushi of poor. The same sushi, the same sushi. But the rich sushi, different breed. It means high class. but maybe same taste, I think. Uh, in Japan, if you want to enter Japan, you need to have strong mind. Oh my god, don't do that, baby. I'm sorry guys, I'm not joking. I'm very serious on sharing my experience if it is really hard to live in Japan. If you don't work, it is hard because you don't have money. Not anyone will help you there except for yourself. But if you have partner, your husband, you can help each other. You can help each other in sickness and in health. And in Japan, it is hard in Japan. It's not hard if you have a work. If you have a work, yeah, it's not hard. You have a work, you work hard, you will receive salary, you can buy what you want, but you need to save also. But in my situation, even I work hard, I don't know why I don't have savings. That's why for me, maybe it's hard. It's hard to stay alive. Hi. And oh, I cannot focus, baby. Mama is vlogging. Go over there. Yeah, in Japan. Oh my god, I cannot focus. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say now. What are you afraid of? Are you afraid of what? Huh? What? What's the matter? What is that? She's afraid of the sounds of the DVD. Yo-jang. Oh my god, Mama needs to learn more English so that I can teach you. No, okay. Come here, sit down. No. Now, I'm already 12 years in Japan. I speak only Japanese because my workplace, they are all Japanese. I don't have, I have Filipino friends, many, but we don't talk much every day. Your mama, oh my gosh, because I'm so very nervous. My baby. Maybe I need to stop this vlog now.